Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to fix this page is not available at the moment. So guys, when you open your Instagram and facing this type of issue, as you can see here, when I am going to back, and guys, when I want to open my Instagram and guys facing this issue again and again. So guys, how can you fix this problem? Easily you can fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, first of all, you need to go back. And guys, after going to back, you need to open your settings in your iPhone, and guys, you need to make sure that you have connected with strong internet connection. So guys, this problem is occurred due to when you have not connected with any internet connection, or your internet connection has been too weak. So guys, simply first of all, you need to connect with strong internet connection, and guys, after doing this, your problem will be fixed. So guys, now I am going to open and guys check that my problem has been fixed or not. So guys, as you can see here, my problem has been fixed. So guys, after doing this method, if still not fix your problem, then guys, you need to open your settings again, and guys, you need to click on this general, and guys, you need to click on iPhone storage, and guys, here you need to find Instagram, and guys, you need to offload your app. And guys, after doing offload, you need to reinstall again from your app store, and guys, after doing this, your problem will be fixed. So guys, if still not fix your problem, then guys, you need to open here your app store, and guys, from here you need to update your Instagram, and guys, after this, your problem will be fixed. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.